Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisisupport njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. Ngithi ngingena ku-X eyaziwa ngeTwitter, ngizithela phe kwevideo kaMbax. Manje ngithe ngaphambi kokuba nje ngicaphune leyo video, angithathe le pic oyibona la ku-screen sakho ethi uNelson Mandela wathola i-military training e-Algeria FLN camp eMorocco ngo-1962. Lapha phansi kubhalwe ukuthi Nelson Mandela uyifounder yomkhonto wesizwe, the arm wing of i-ANC, ureceive i-military training e-Algeria FLN camp eMorocco ngo-1962. Ngifisa ke ukucaphunela ivideo kaMbalula. Anginalwazi-ke, anginalwazi ngempela, kodwa nje ngithe kulokho engikucaphunile nengikutholile angikuhlanganisele khona ngikulethe kuwe.
This was the same year when Algeria attained its independence from France, with 900,000 European Algerian Pidinois fleeing the country upon their defeat. Nelson Mandela received military training in Algeria. In 1962, he went to Algeria, where he received training from the Algerian National Liberation Front, FLN, in Morocco. He specifically learned about military strategies and techniques to fight against apartheid. Mandela later credited his time with the FLN for shaping his understanding of liberation struggles and preparing him for armed resistance.
Esikuthola kule video ukuthi uMandela watrainwa eMorocco, Algeria eMorocco, yila uMandela atrainwa khona. Ngifisa ukudlulela phambili ngikucaphunela ivideo yesibili, kodwa kokuqala okubalekile ukuthi uMandela watraina eMorocco ngo-1962. Asiqhubeke.
You know, comrades, siyabanyula abantu singabazi. Ilento ukuthi you get elected through the eyes of your peers. Samonyula uZuma thina singamazi. Sixelelwa ngaye kodwa samonyula. Kuthiwa mlumkeni lo muntu. Sixelelwa zintanga zakhe. Ngoba thina simazi. Sasimonyula nje ngoba lo tata, yayi masiya. But asimazi azange sazabalaza naye. Intanga zakhe zamkhanyela. Kuyafana nani ninokhanyela uAndile. Nithi yo. Hayi umbanjwa noko madoda. Uzabe khanyelwa ngabantu abamaziyo. Uzawuthi naye ngenye imini or nikhanyela umdu. Uzabe khanyela ngabantu abamaziyo athi nandikhanyela madoda bendinani nje. But you why? Kuyinto ngawe nje qha esingayiqondiyo. Asihambi nawe. Thina asamamela, we didn't listen to his peers samonyula. Namhlanje andithethi into zantsuku zakudala. This week he wiped all what we fought for, and we said the last colony in Africa is Western Sahara. uZuma wafika woyicumza wafaka itayi wapolish isihlangu wahlala eMorocco. Wathi into yase Western Sahara intshumani wayikhumsha that ye lo tata.
Uma ngibona le video kaMbax bengiconfused kwenzakalani. Kodwa manje ngizwa sengathi uZuma uye eMorocco. Manje ngiyaxakeka ukuthi hayibo i-ANC kune-article engiyifundile la yathi ANC neMorocco bebengama-ally. Kodwa namhlanje ngoba uZuma useye eMorocco seku-wrong according to uMbalula. Kodwa manje uyobe kafundela thina ukuthi uMandela watrain eMorocco. Kanti ama-politicians anjani? Masikhuluma nje ngama-politicians, sikhuluma ngabantu abanjani? Ngiyafisa mhlambe ungichazelela ku-comment section ukuthi ama-politicians angabantu abanjani. Ubudlelwane babo neMorocco buphinde baphela nini? Ngoba phela nangu uMandela kuvela ukuthi watrain eMorocco. Nansi article. Le article yabhalwa uPeter Fabricius ngomhla ka-30 kuNovemba 2017. Le phezulu ethi the AU-EU Summit, Zuma and Moroccan King hold icebreaker talks. Uthi after iminyaka ye-acrimony, uPresident Zuma ube nezingxoxo ezipositive nenkosi yaseMorocco uMohammed VI kwi-African Union European Union Summit. Iyangithusa i-article mayivele ukuthi ngo-2017 uZuma waneyingxoxo nenkosi yaseMorocco. Why mayisesuka ehambe eMorocco manje bese kuba yi-issue, kanti ngo-2017 mayiya khona wayewu-president we-ANC? Ombali lo baze basho lutho. Ngifisa nje ukuthi sizibeke lezi zinto bese sithi kanti osopolitiki banjani, ngoba nakho kuyavela ukuthi ngo-2017 uJacob Zuma waba nezingxoxo ezipositive nenkosi yaseMorocco. Manje iyangixaka lento ukuthi why manje sekuyi-issue. Angazi nanobudlelwane abanabo, angazi nokuthi ubeyofunani, angizange ngize ngizihluphe nanokuyifuna i-interview kaZuma ehlangene nenkosi yaseMorocco, but ngibuza kuwe mhlawumbe wena ungangikwazi ukungichazela ukuthi kwenzakalani kanti, ngoba phela nango-2017 uJacob Zuma wayewu-president we-ANC, ngaleso sikhathi wayewu-president we-country, wahamba waye eMorocco bafike baba nezingxoxo nenkosi yaseMorocco. Why kungabanga inkinga ngaleso sikhathi? Kuyo le article engiyibonile, uRoyal House of Abathembu ubhale ukuthi uZuma kudala afletha nobukhosi baseMorocco. Ngo-2017 wahlangana nomuntu owayi-Minister Foreign Affairs e-Abidjan. Le kade ngikutshela ngayo, le kade siyifunda ngapha. Uthi futhi kunama-rumors ukuthi bebemfinansa ngoba bebengama-allies wakhe ne-ANC. Bathi Obed Bapela wahamba waye eMorocco ngonyaka ophelile. Yena-ke ngiyakhumbula ukuthi wabhekana ne-disciplinary hearing. So mhlambe after uZuma sekaphumile e-office, i-ANC yabe siyajika kangabe saba nobudlelwano neMorocco. Ngoba phela Obed Bapela wabhekana ne-disciplinary hearing emveni kokuba yena eMorocco. Ku-Nelson Mandela Foundation mawungena ku-website yabo babhalile ukuthi ngomhla ka-6 March 1962 uNelson Mandela wafika eMorocco kwi-clandestine trip yakhe for i-military training. So okusho ukuthi and to get i-support for i-armed struggle. Okusho ukuthi i-ANC neMorocco bebenobudlelwano. Ngithi nje angilithinte lolu daba, ngiyadlula kulo. Ngibona ivideo kaJabulani Khumalo. uJabulani Khumalo uthe uye enkantolo ngoLwesibili ngoba usola ukuthi umkhonto wesizwe party uvikela umkhonto wesizwe party kuZuma nakumndeni wakhe. Siyazi ke sonke ukuthi uJabulani Khumalo mayiqale vele ekhuluma ama podcast amaningi ayayambize kakhulu ngoba bayazi ukuthi ayikho enye into azoyikhuluma phandle ngokukhuluma nge-MK. Okunye kwesibili, ama-podcast njengabo Biz News lawa vele against i-MK party noZuma ayayambiza ngempela-ke. Nakulokhu bambizile ngizokucaphunela ivideo yakhe uze ukuthi uthini uJabulani Khumalo uhlela ini. Ngithi nje angikwazisi ukuthi kuzongena elinye icala lesibili manje uJabulani Khumalo ikhona abantu ahlangane nabo bafuna ukusave umkhonto wesizwe party from kuJacob Zuma nomndeni wakhe. Cela uzwe la.
Sir, tell us about the case next week on the 17th.
Thank you for allowing me to allude to this upcoming case on Tuesday. The case that is coming up on Tuesday is the case that I think we should have done it long ago due to the ongoing craziness of certain individuals who wants to take over the NPC of the party, which we registered in 2023, I'm sorry, before we even announced the MK, which was announced on the 16th of December, 2023.
Yabona into efuna siyincome i-timing kaKhumalo. I-timing kaKhumalo, hayi une-timing lo baba. Ngesikhathi umkhonto wesizwe party unenxokozelo, ngesikhathi umkhonto wesizwe party kuyalena nalena ziningi iy'nkinga, udaba likaFloyd, trend, ufike wabona ukuthi ngokudlule wafaka icase wathola Umkhonto weSizwe Party isupport kuma ground forces. Manje ubone kahle uKhumalo ukuthi yabona malifaka kahle lolu daba manje hayi lizoyinyakazisa Umkhonto weSizwe Party ngoba vele uyaxokozela kwawona uyanyakaza. Ncoma nje timing yakhe. Ngiyayizwa ke indaba libekayo uthi icala khona lizongena ngolesibili. Sizozwa ngolesibili kuthiwani kodwa ngifuna ukuqhubeka naye kodwa into esiyincoma kuye eqala i-timing. Asike simlalele bese ngiyaphawula mhlambe soyivala ivile emvana kwalapha.
We registered the NPC, the non-profit organization, with the three members, which is myself, Mr. Gasa, Mr. Masilela. We agreed that we will then look for other members that will be part of the directors of the organization. We registered, and then in January we identify one more member, which is Mr. Lebohang Moepe. We added him into the party, into the directorship. Then we moved on. We opened the account and everything. To our surprise, that last year around August, September, some crazy people just decided that they will invade the registration of the NPC in the CIPRO. They even used their pins to register and to remove us as the original director of the NPC of Umkhonto weSizwe Party. What has happened on that time? Those people they tried to remove us. They changed my email. At the end, they put something else. And then they changed my cell phone number. And then they put 4 digits, which were not my digits, which were wrong, which was not my number. They did all of this because they wanted to get the OTP so they can go back to CIFRO and say, these people have been removed and they've agreed because on your 96 hours, you must send back the OTP, which we never did. But fortunately, when we found out that I was about to be removed with the other members, I then went to the police and opened a case. After opening a case, I went and did an affidavit and I sent it to CIPRO to say, these people are not allowed. They are doing criminal because they are not supposed to be added on the CIPRO document.
Ngaphambi nje ukuthi ngimtetela qedela uKhumalo njengoba esachaza. Enye into la eyenzekile futhi uKhumalo ayibonile ukuthi zonke izinto ayesixwayise ngazo ngoZuma zenzekile. Zonke izinto nje uKhumalo akaxwayisa ngazo ngoZuma sizibonile zenzeka kule insuku ezedlule. Ukuthi uZuma uyakwazi ukuthi njengoba uyakwazi ukulandela igama lakhe likaGedle ihlekisa. Akuhlekisa kuthumelele ngomunye umuntu ukuthi akaku-attack. Uma ubuka nje udaba likaFloyd ukuthi kukhulunywa ukuthi uFloyd uzo-rip deploy ayisuke eParliament kodwa sawathola ama-email abeveza ukuthi hayi akho Floyd eParliament ngoba uDuduzile uthumele i-email ethumelela i-CEO ye-IEC ukuyazisa ukuthi cha ilist le ishintshiwe amagama lawa uyawashintsha uzofaka amanye amagama hayi lawa besiwazi asikake babonika abantu mhlawumbe uzogcinekile uFloyd eParliament mhlawumbe ngeke azayi kodwa amathuba ukuthi hayi amancane. Lokhu kwasenza sabona ukuthi hayi man lapha komkhonto weSizwe Party uZuma lento ehlala ishiwo kuthiwa unezwi lokugcina ngathi ayilona iqiniso. So uKhumalo usebenzisa lelo thuba lelo lokuthi abantu sebeyaqala bathi hayi wayisixwayisile uKhumalo futhi uKhumalo izinto ayishilo ziyenzeka. Manje usebenzisa lelo thuba lelo ngoba vele manje sesiyamkholwa njengami nje sengiyamkholwa manje kwezinye izinto ngoba uKhumalo yonke into ayisixwayisile ngayo ngoZuma ayenzeka njengoba injalo. So usebenzisa lelo thuba ingakho ngithi i-timing kaKhumalo perfect timing kaKhumalo. ngicela ukumcaphuna ke ingxenye yokugcina uzozwa ukuthi icala limayelana nani njengoba sekabekile nanokuthi iziphi imapha inyathelo abazithathile ukuze sigcine sazi ukuthi ngolwesibili icala lokhulunywa ngelani kodwa nje bafaka icala enkantolo ngolwesibili liyahlala icala ngicela ke uzwe la.
The case was opened, and then CIPRO assisted me to remove them and keep us tagged as directors, the original directors of the MK party, NPC. It didn't end there. They continuously tried to remove us. I went to police, opened the case, did the affidavit insanity. This took almost from that time until now, in what we are now in June, until April this year. These crazy people have been continuously trying to continue with forgery, forging our documents to be removed from the NPC. When we got out of this, we've been opening cases, but it never ended. Because of that, we decided that no, let's go to court and get a proper order from the court to say that you crazy people must run away. Get out of our party. You are not allowed. If they wanted, they should have come to us and asked if they can be added as directors. But they never did that. They're trying to undermine us, and they are undermining the policy of the CIPC. But I must say that the CIPC policies are very weak because they can allow anybody to remove the director without the director's authority.
Yona video kabe ngithi angikulethele yona le njengoba umzuleko uKhumalo esho ukuthi bebezama ukubakhipha lapha ya ngoba ba register non-profit organization yomkhonto wesizwe party. So kunobugebengu obezama ukwenziwa lapho ukuze kukhishwe bona. So sizozwa ngolesibili. Ngiyafisa ukuza ukuphawula kwakho ngalolu daba. Ngizwe ukuthi wena kuthini ukubona kwakho. Uthini nje ukuphawula kwakho. Mina nje ngincoma itiming kaKhumalo. Timing kaKhumalo perfect. Perfect timing yakhe. Futhi mhlambe ngokukaKhumalo njengoba umkhonto wesizwe party abantu behlukene bekhombisa ukunganami futhi ngesenzo sika Jacob Zuma. Into enza lokho uyabona ukuthi le support ababenayo before ebase court angeke umkhonto wesizwe party ube nayo manje uzokwazi ukuthi ikwenzeke lento yena ayifisayo. Angeke ngizukuphawula kwakho kodwa ke sizozwa kahle ngolesibili ngomhla ka 17 ngalo kwalokho mina nawe sidibane kwivele landelayo ngiyabonga.